In the given main characteristics of farming, which is not a characteristics of Indian commercial farming? Question number 4, slash and burn is the correct answer. Question number 2, Hampi Utsav, which is celebrated in Karnataka, is also called dash, the festival that captures the pomp, splendor, and glory of the historical period of Karnataka, is celebrated over a week. Option number C is the correct answer, Vijay Utsav. Question number 3, which of the following is not a stringed instrument? Option number C, flute. 4, which of the following parts of the Indian Constitution is described as the Magna Carta of India? Option number 2, part 3. Question number 5, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering is located at? Option number C, Uttarakhand. Question number 4, in the field hockey, dash occurs when a player pushes the ball and raises it off the ground. Option number B, flick. Question number 7, what is the name of the highest peak of the Eastern Ghat? Option number 4, Mahendragiri. Question number 8, the method of separating a mixture of soluble solids by dissolving them in a suitable hot solvent and then lowering the temperature slowly is called? Option number B, fractional crystallization. Question number 9, how is the structure of health infrastructure and healthcare system in India? Option number 4, three-tier system. Question number 10, in which year did India archer participate in the Olympics for the first time? Indian archer. Option number A, 1988. 11, which group of animals has a segmented spinal column together with a few primitive forms in which the backbone is represented by a knot cord? Option number A, vertebrate. Question number 12, who is known as the father of Carnatic music? Option number 1, Purandar Das is the correct answer. 13, which folk music is based on the Mahabharata with Bhim portrayed as a hero? Option number B, Pandavani. Question number 14, which of the following planets does not have a ring around it? So number 4 is the correct answer, Mercury. Question number 15, in his drain of wealth argument, who among the following stated that Britain was completely draining India? Option number A is the correct answer, Dadabhai Naoroji. 16, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution cannot be amended with simple majority? Option number 4, 21. 17, who among the following terms was used for the land given to Brahmins during the Chola Empire? Option number 1, Brahmadev. Question number 18, writ of mandamus is a fundamental right classifiable under option number C, constitutional remedies. 19, which language is known as Italian of the East? Option number C, Telugu. 20, Mayor festival is celebrated during the Dash festival of Udaipur at Udaipur. Option number 3, Gangor is the correct answer. 21, which of the following articles prohibits traffic in human beings and forced labors? Option number 4, Article 23. 22, who wrote the Indian patriotic song Saare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara? Option number B, Muhammad Iqbal. 23, in which country is the Kachi Manawa festival celebrated? Kachi Manawa festival celebrated. Option number C, 3, Myanmar. 24. Mendel proposed the law of independent assortment on the basis of option number 1, dihybrid crosses. 25. Mayadhar Raut is an exponent of the Indian classical dance form. Option number 4, Odishi. Question number 26. Of the football clubs listed below, which is the oldest in India? Option number 4, Calcutta FC. 27. The zone separating the troposphere from the stratosphere is called? Option number 4, tropopause. 28. Folk songs in dash are called raganis. Option number 8, Haryana. 29. Who among the following was the founder of the Vikramshila Vishwavidyalaya? Option number 4, Dharmapal. 30. If there is a fall in the demand of good, the equilibrium price is expected to? Number 1, fall. 31. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India deals with the citizenship? Option number 4, Articles 5 to 11. 32. Who discovered the atomic number based on the X-ray wavelength in 1913? Option number 4, Henry Moseley. 33. Which subdivision of Himalayas are famous for Kadava formation? Option number C, Kashmir Himalayas. 34. Who is the founder of the modern microfinance? Option number 4, Muhammad Yunus. 35. Which among the following types of crops are sown after the end of the monsoon season? End of the monsoon season. Option number 3, Rabi crops. 36. Who among the following was primarily an integral part of the Indian National Army? Option number 3, Subhash Chandra Bose. 37. Which of the following was the last dynasty of the Vijayanagar Empire? Option number 3, Arabiru dynasty. Question number 38. According to the Census of India 2011, which state has the largest gap between male and female literacy rates? Option number 3 is the right answer, Rajasthan. 39. As per Olympics rules, in the third game, badminton players change ends when a side scores dash points. Option number 4, 11 is the correct answer. 40. A dash is a cloud of dust and gas inside a galaxy. Option number 2, nebula. 41. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court to protect the fundamental rights of the Indian citizens? Option number 3, 5. 42. Dash is a significant festival of Parsi people who practice Zoroastrianism, as it marks the birth anniversary of the Zoroaster. Okay. Option number D, Khordad Sal. 43. The loss of water in the form of water droplets from leaves of plants is called? Option number C, mutation. 44. Which clause of Article 20 is incorporates the doctrine of double jeopardy? Option number C, 2. 45. By which Ministry of Government of India was the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana started? Option number 3, Ministry of Rural Development. 46. On which river in India was the Somsila Dam built? Number 4, Pennar River. 47. Who among the following is a famous classical dancer? Option number 4, Sonal Mansingh. 48. What is the main objective of Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act, FRBMA 2003? Main objectives. Option number 1. To reduce fiscal deficit. 49. Which famous book was written by Haripal? Option number 3. Sangit Sudhakar. Sangit Sudhakar. Question number 50. When was the Bharat Nirman program launched by the Government of India? Option number 3. 2000